National Australia Bank Limited's first half profit fell short of analyst estimates as a boost to margins from higher interest rates was offset by caution on the economic trajectory. The stock opened 6% lower. Cash earnings rose 17% to a $4.07 billion in the 6 months ended March 31st. From a year earlier, the Melbourne-based firm said in a statement Thursday, that's its best half-year profit on record, though it missed the $4.18 billion estimate in a Bloomberg survey of analysts. Australian banks have been reaping the rewards of aggressive interest rate hikes over the past year that fueled banks' revenue from lending. Now, with markets pricing a pivot from the other nation's central bank to rate cuts later this year, some analysts argue earnings growth may begin to ebb. The economy has slowed down a bit. We are starting to see that Chief Executive Officer Ross McEwan said in a video presentation, we're probably at the top of the inflation cycle. NAB shares lost as much as 6.5% as of 10:08 a.m. in Sydney. They'd underperformed the Australian Financial Sector Index in the past year. Through Wednesday, down more than 10%. The lender continued to pull back from the home loan market, instead focusing on areas such as its key business banking division, where profits surged 20%. Earnings in personal banking, the division that includes home lending, dipped 0.4%. And it's very difficult in the mortgage market at the moment, said McEwan. Very, very competitive, margins getting knocked around there. Meantime, the firm's net interest margin climbed 14 basis points to 1.77%. McEwan said customers are showing resilience in the face of rising rates and a slowing economy. We made contact with 7,000 of our mortgage customers. We thought they have been having a little bit of difficulty, and only 13 have said, yes, we'd like some help. He told journalists on a conference call Thursday. The results show that margins have peaked, impairments are rising, and growth is slowing, so the outlook for the second half is not great. Matt Ingram, Senior Industry